Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. And today I have a box that I truly enjoy, and this is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle subscription box. And this is $34 bi-monthly, trying to think, free US shipping, and they refer to it as the AIA, the American Influencer Awards. Let me see here. Gives us access to influencer brands and products. So each box is a different influencer, and it's basically like a brand takeover of the box every other month, which is nice because like we had Manik Kadar, we had Guy Tang, I think his name was. I mean, we've had some good boxes where it's all their, 5 of their products. You get 5 to 6 full-size items. It could be beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care. So far, I have loved everything that I've received in this box. Every box is valued at least $100, and they do donate money from each box purchased towards charity, which is wonderful. And the bi-monthly starts December, January, and then February, March, April, May, and so forth. And I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else about this box. This is what it looks like. And I just tried to slip the tape ahead of time, and here it says be strong, be beautiful, be you, and this is what the box looks like with a little sneak peek before I see anything. And we usually get a card, and I'm glad we did. These boxes are great to save for if you have giveaways to send out. So this is Give Them LaLa Beauty, so I would assume this is the brand owner. I assume that's LaLa. Very pretty girl. Plus it gives us a little sneak peek, and I think prices, yes, prices of the items enclosed. Oh, this is nice. We have a mask. Let's open this up. Let me see. I'm not going to try this on because I have makeup on and lip product, and I don't want it to get all over the mask. Can never have too many of these, I would assume. Oh, how cute. Oh, and it has the wiring at the nose. That's nice. White interior, black exterior, and it has their logo on the front. That's really cute. I like that. I just bought a whole bunch of them. You get tired. I was using the surgical ones. They get old after a while. And it looks like we have 4 or 5, and then the mask is 6. Looks like we have 4 lip products from her. So let's just open them up and see what we have here. So this is I Love You. I don't know if this is a lipstick. Oh, the mask. Let me tell you about the mask. It's a cotton face mask. Fits comfortably and snug on your face. A value of $12. Oh, this is a nice red. Here's the packaging. Oh, that's really pretty. My niece probably will love that. And that was I Love You. Let me see if I can. It's a hydromatte lipstick. Value of $16. The next one is called Wet. The packaging is all the outer packaging is all the same. A lot of brands, when they first start out, start with some lip products and like a palette because, it probably is easier for them to get started that way. So this just looks like a lip oil to me. Wet Lip Quencher. Value of $18. Hydrating, long-lasting, non-sticky. And that's got like a slight pink hue to it. So that's nice. Sometimes, I don't want lipstick, so I just put like that kind of stuff on. It still keeps your lips, moist and gives them a little color and a little gloss, and that's always nice. What's this next one here? Send Nudes. Hopefully that focuses. And Send Nudes is a cushion cream lipstick. Value of $16. Well, this is a nice one too, right here. I'm not swatching or opening these because I don't know if I'm going to keep all these. I've tried to make a promise to myself not to keep every lip product that comes in these boxes because I have so many lip products. And this is called Trippin. Trippin is a hydrogloss. Value of $16. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I might keep one of them. That's really pretty. I like that. That's a great shade for the fall and the winter. So we have 4 lip products that are worth $16, and then the oil is worth $18. The mask is $12, Then it looks like she has a palette. It's part of her collection. Let me just put this stuff in the box. I'm just going to move this back here and get it off my table here. So it came nicely packaged in some bubble. I think I just hit the camera. I'm so sorry if I did. Trying to keep my leg extended to the left this way with my crutches, but so sometimes I'm hitting the, I noticed in my one other video I hit the camera. So this is the packaging, and this is the pretty palette. Let's see, open this up. And this is $42, you know, same as the, well, this is pretty. Does have a safety shield. I will just use this as the mirror cover. This is a nice palette right here. Really nice neutral, which I think most of us could use with no problem. Some nice, you know, lighter shades and, you know, dark brown and some, a little bit of shimmer. So there's 1, 2, 3 shimmers, and the rest are, the other 6, right? 6 are matte. So that's good. I like when there's more matte than shimmer because I'm not really into the shimmer so much, but sometimes you just need that little bit, and I love that in the center of your eye and keep everything else matte. But this is really pretty. I like this. Very, very nice. So congratulations to LaLa. I think you have some nice products here. I'm so excited to try the especially the lip products, because I am a lip junkie. So like I said, $42 there. So, I mean, just getting the palette pays for itself. The box is only $34 every other month. So if you were to pay for, let's say you were to continue to pay for it every month, it's $15, $17 each month to get this box every other month. So I think this is very affordable when you look at it that way. I know $34 might sound like a lot, but it's not really. Always full size, always nice products, and this is becoming a nice little favorite of mine. I really like it a lot. Give them LaLa Beauty. This is the brand that's in this month's box, and this is the October-November box for 2020. I hope you like this video, and I hope you're all doing well, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.